Keeping your important papers safe from fire and water damage is a smart move for any household. In this video, we're reviewing the best fireproof bags for documents to help protect your valuables when disaster strikes. Number 1. FunOwlet Fireproof Document Bag. If you're serious about protecting your valuables from disasters, the FunOwlet Fireproof Document Bag is an excellent choice. Made from premium non-itchy silicone-coated fiberglass, this set is designed to withstand extreme temperatures up to 4,200 degrees Fahrenheit. What makes it particularly appealing is that it comes in a 3-piece set to meet different storage needs. You get a large 15x 11-inch bag for legal-sized papers, a 10x 7.8-inch envelope bag for passports, cash, and small valuables, and a compact 8x 5-inch wallet bag for cards and coins. This makes it highly versatile for home, travel, or office use. Beyond fire resistance, these pouches are also impressively water resistant, providing added security against accidental water exposure, rain, or fire hoses. A highlight of the design is its upgraded zipper closure protection. The high-quality, fireproof, and waterproof zipper adds extra storage security and safety, while the one-piece, seamless bottom design ensures added strength and reliability. The dual-layer build offers better insulation and durability, giving peace of mind that your items are protected. The smooth zipper strap design also makes it convenient to open and carry, even when you're in a rush. This set isn't just about storing documents. It's about protecting memories and important records. Whether it's your birth certificate, marriage license, treasured photographs, or cash savings, the FunOwlet Fireproof Document Bag provides dependable protection. It's also suitable for safeguarding lithium battery packs and electronics, which are prone to overheating. Whether stored at home, in your car, or during travel, these bags provide reliable protection in a lightweight, foldable design. Number 2. Docsafe Fireproof Document Bag. The Docsafe Fireproof Document Bag is a fantastic product for anyone serious about securing valuable paperwork and belongings against unexpected hazards. Made from double-layered, non-itchy silicone-coated fiberglass, it's certified to withstand temperatures up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit and has earned SGS UL 94 VTM0 certification. But beyond fire protection, it also delivers excellent water resistance, making it well-suited for flood-prone areas or potential water exposure from firefighting efforts. What makes the Docsafe bag particularly appealing is its generous size and thoughtful organization. Measuring 14.2 by 10.6 by 4 inches, it offers a large, multi-compartment design to store a variety of items. Inside, you'll find 4 passport mesh bags, 16 card slots, for you disc pockets, 7 folder layers, and a spacious main compartment that easily holds laptops, documents, certificates, and tax returns. It transforms document storage into a neat, organized system where everything is easy to find, even under stress. Security-wise, Docsafe includes multiple thoughtful features such as strong, dual-way water-resistant zippers, a combination lock for added peace of mind, and a grab handle that makes it easy to carry important belongings during an emergency. There's also a wide strap handle on the back, so it can be conveniently attached to a suitcase for travel. Whether you're safeguarding legal files at home, carrying essential documents on a business trip, or preparing for emergencies, this bag offers reliable, organized, and secure storage. It's an ideal solution for protecting passports, certificates, money, electronics, and even irreplaceable keepsakes. Number 3. Docsafe File Organizer Bag. The Docsafe File Organizer Bag is a comprehensive fireproof and water-resistant storage solution designed for those with extensive filing needs. Constructed from durable silicone-coated fiberglass paired with an inner aluminum foil lining, it can withstand searing temperatures up to 5,200 degrees Fahrenheit. Certified to UL 94 VTM0 standards through SGS testing, it's one of the safest document bags available for both fire and water protection. The aluminum foil lining not only resists high heat, but also prevents melting, ensuring your important paperwork stays intact. This large-capacity bag measures 17 by 12.5 by 7.2 inches and features a thoughtfully organized interior. The spacious main compartment comfortably holds letter and legal-size files, 3-ring binders, laptops, and albums. Additionally, it includes a 3-layer sub-pocket design with 4 passport mesh pockets, 16 card slots, for you disc holders, and 7 folder layers. This structured layout ensures your important documents and personal items stay organized and accessible, which is particularly helpful during emergencies when quick access is vital. A clever reflective strip on the side ensures you can locate the bag quickly in low-light conditions or smoke-filled environments. Whether you're using it at home, the office, or on the go, it offers dependable, organized, and high-capacity storage. The Docsafe File Organizer bag is perfect for anyone with multiple categories of valuables, from tax records and legal papers to passports, money, and digital storage devices. Number 4. Cioey Fireproof Document Bag. The Cioey Fireproof Document Bag offers an impressive balance of durability, organization, and advanced protection for valuable documents and belongings. It boasts the highest fireproof rating, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, thanks to UL 94V0 certified fiberglass fabric. A unique feature is its 3-layer construction, including a thermal insulation midlayer and an aluminum foil-coated interior, adding an extra layer of protection for important papers and digital media against extreme heat. Beyond its fire resistance, the Cioey bag is highly water-resistant. Its silicone-coated exterior helps prevent water damage from firefighting efforts or inclement weather. Measuring 16 inches long with a wide, easy-access opening, it's perfectly sized to hold larger items like laptops, tax documents, legal files, and photo albums. The spacious interior ensures you won't need to dump out everything to find one item. It also comes equipped with a durable shoulder strap tested to hold up to 45 pounds and a reinforced handle rated for 35 pounds, making it ideal for travel. Lockable zippers, a sturdy Velcro flap, and fire-retardant stitching offer multiple security layers, while its foldable, explosion-proof design makes it suitable for safe battery storage. Number 5. TuoBaks Fireproof Document Bag. The TuoBaks Fireproof Document Bag is a dependable, thoughtfully upgraded product designed to safeguard valuable documents against both fire and water damage. Made from advanced fire-resistant and heat-insulating materials, it can endure extreme temperatures while also featuring sealed, waterproof zippers that withstand the forceful spray of a firefighter's hose. This makes it an excellent choice for homes and offices in areas prone to wildfires or flooding. Measuring conveniently with a large main pocket and 8 built-in card slots, this bag balances capacity with compact portability. It's ideal for holding legal documents, passports, money, photos, certificates, and small electronics, keeping them neatly organized and easily accessible. This versatile bag is perfect for business or family use, whether paired with a home safe for added protection or packed into a travel suitcase. Its ability to lie flat and compact folding design make it both space-saving and highly portable. The TuoBaks Fireproof Document Bag offers reliable document security in emergency situations, earning its place as a smart, affordable, and practical fireproof storage solution. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.